Hi everyone, I'm Iru. Today I want to introduce a system can help cars in a tornado area and how show them the guide of routing to escape from tornado. So we introduce the environment first. This is a worldwide telescope. It's a map tool developed by Microsoft. So we will use this map and then we will show our cars here. The yellow one is the cars in safe area and the red one is the cars in dangerous area. And now we can check this white line. This is the tornado warning. The polygon is the tornado warning area, and the information is from National Weather Service. So this is the warning area, and the square is the county, and the blue pink is the shelter, and the white one is the tornado itself. So when the tornado is moving, the polygon is the warning area. And how can we help this car to escape to a shelter? Where is the shortest path to them? This is our system will help the car to find a way to escape from this warning area. And now I only set this polygon as the dangerous area, so you can see all the points in this polygon will be red, and outside the polygon it will become yellow. So let's start. So worldwide telescope can show the time, so it is a real-time data from 2012. So let's start to simulate the whole situation in that tornado. So on the screen we can see the tornado is moving, and I set this polygon as dangerous area so you can see the car is red in this polygon. And for this car, we suggested it to this shelter, because for this 5 shelter, if this car want to go to other shelter, it will pass to the tornado track, which is not safe and dangerous for the car. So for our algorithm, we will suggest this car to go to this shelter. And now you can see the red point. When they on the boundary of this warning polygon, it will change the color. And the purple is the tornado track, because the tornado will destroy the road on the ground. So we don't suggest the car enter this track. So we know this area and don't suggest the car to enter. So you can see the polygon from the National Weather Service is quite accurate, predict the tornado movement. It's all in the polygon. Okay, let's check the code behind this system. How to help cars routing away from the tornado. So we code by C#. This is the interface of the C# code. So now we first to download the data from database, and then we set how fast the time go by. So if the number is bigger, the time will run faster. It's a setting for the worldwide telescope, and we are on the Earth. And I set the car colors as yellow. And then the routing computation is all made by SQL Spatial database and the store procedure and the SQL CLR function with C#. So the routing is made by the C# code. And in the SQL Spatial database, we build a row map. This is a row network. So we save the row network in the database. Then we know the location of the tornado, and we know the location of the car. So we can calculate routing for this car. And there are two scenarios for car to away from tornado. One is don't enter the tornado warning area. So let's do the demo about the routing away from the warning area. So let's check this demo. Let's do the demo here. So when we want to calculate routing, we just need to write this SQL code. So that is very easy. We just set a start point and the destination, the shelter, and we can calculate a safe area for the car, safe route for the car. So we execute it. Take it for a while. Okay. So let's see the map. SQL Spatial database can show all the data, the route, and row network on a map. So it's very easy to debug and see the result. So that is we can imagine that is the car, and here is the tornado, and here is the shelter. So if the tornado is in this area, we will find the route to avoid this area. And all the routing calculation is made by the C# and the SQL Spatial database. And the second scenario is if we don't know the shelter, we don't have the destination, and how a car in that kind of situation, how can they drive away to keep driving as far as away from the tornado? So let's see our demo here. So we set there are two tornadoes on the map, and this is the car location. So we can just check what is that. So we can see this is the car, and we set there are two tornado polygon here. So what is the way to route as far as from these two tornado area? So that is the result of our calculation. Oh, and our algorithm is we modify the algorithm of A star. So that is, you can see that's quite correctly. So we can see one more situation to check if our A star is working very well. So that's the second situation. We set a new location of a car and the tornado. And we can So now we set the car, the starting point here, and here is the tornado polygon warning area. So you can see if the car want to route as far as away from these two tornado polygon, this is the route, the farthest route he should go. He should go as far as possible, go outside. So we can see our A-star algorithm really provide the driver a safe routing. First is avoid the tornado area, and the second is to drive as far away from the multiple polygon, tornado polygon. And then we can back to this map to see. Actually, this is the 4 hours in the tornado alley. You can see in 4 hours in the same time, there are so many tornadoes happen in this area. So when car driver driving through this area, it's really hard to avoid that. So we really need a routing to tell driver how to avoid so many dangerous area. Just in 4 hours, there are so many tornadoes happen. But our routing can know each polygon and find a route as far away from this polygon and help driver drive through as far away through this area. And if they know the shelter, we can provide them a shortest route and avoid all of this polygon. So that will be a great tool for drivers in this area. So thank you for your watching, and hope this tool can help you driving safely in the future. Thank you.